Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdev has issued a statement on the Delhi LG VK Saxena, giving sanctions to ED to prosecute Arvind Kejriwal in the excise policy case. And he's in fact said that it is clear that Arvind Kejriwal is a kingpin of the Delhi excise policy scam and he has looted Delhi. These are of course the statements that have been issued by Virendra Sachdev. As the investigation progresses, Arvind Kejriwal is the culprit in this and will be punished. Listen in to this statement that's been issued by him.
मुझे नहीं लगता कि बच्चों की इंक्वायरी होनी है। एमसीडी ने ऑर्डर दिया है, वो उन बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट्स को चेक कर रहे हैं। अगर वो संदिग्ध लगते हैं और अगर इस तरह की कुछ घटना मिलती है तो मुझे लगता है कई बार हम लोगों को सावधानी भी बरतनी चाहिए। तो इसको उस दृष्टि से देखना चाहिए कि एमसीडी ने शायद इस दिशा में कुछ काम किया है। देखिए, एक बात तो स्पष्ट है कि शराब घोटाले में अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दलाली और कमीशन खाई है और वो शराब घोटाले के मुख्य अभियुक्त हैं, किंग पिन है और पूरी दिल्ली को लूटने का काम उन्होंने शराब घोटाले के माध्यम से किया है। तो ये तो हम पहले दिन से कह रहे हैं कि जमानत पे छूटना, अपराध मुक्त होना नहीं होता और जैसे जैसे इस जांच का दायरा आगे बढ़ेगा, अरविंद केजरीवाल निस्संदेह इसमें अपराधी हैं और उनको सजा मिलेगी। मुझे नहीं।
All right, so that's the statement that has been issued at this point of time. Again, those are the details that we are tracking for you this point of time from Delhi. My colleague Mehndi is still with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Mehndi, if you could take our viewers through what it is that's happening as far as former Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is concerned.
Well, so Savri, ahead of the assembly elections, Delhi Lieutenant Governor VK Saxena has granted permissions to the ED to, prosecute Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal in connection with the alleged excise policy scam. And this development marks a significant escalation in the ongoing investigation into allegations of corruption linked to the now scrapped Delhi excise policy. And also, the ED had sought the LG's approval earlier this month, citing what it described as the massive level of corruption in the formulation and implementation of the policy. But meanwhile, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has welcomed the LG's decision, asserting that it underscores Kejriwal's alleged central role in the case. And also in his statement, Virendra Sachdeva has said that it is now clear that Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin of the Delhi excise policy scam and he has looted the people of Delhi, and also the investigation is in progress as of now, and it is very evident after the LG's orders also that he will be held accountable for his actions and face punishment under the law. But responding to all these developments, all these allegations that have been put by the BJP, and after this order by the Lieutenant Governor, the Aam Aadmi Party has dismissed these elections as baseless, and also they are saying that these all things that are happening around are politically motivated, and BJP is trying to tarnish the image of Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. And Aam Aadmi Party in the official statement has stated that the so-called liquor scam investigation has been ongoing for 2 years, involving harassment of over 500 individuals and the filing of 50,000 pages of documents, and also the conduct of more than 250 raids, but not a single penny has been recovered as of now. So these are the statements that we are tracking from the Aam Aadmi Party. But Aam Aadmi Party has also highlighted the various court rulings over the years which have exposed significant flaws in the case. So yes, on this issue, Aam Aadmi Party and Bharatiya Janata Party are face to face as of now, but the Delhi excise policy case has remained a contentious issue, and it will be an issue in the upcoming assembly elections also, with the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party at loggerheads over the allegation. And as the investigation depends, Asawri, it is expected to have significant political ramifications, especially in the lead up to the Delhi assembly polls. Yes, over to you.
Right, absolutely. Mehndi, you very correctly pointed out the fact that all these developments are taking place ahead of the much anticipated Delhi Assembly elections. Now, if you could also give us an understanding on what it is that's happened in the past 24 hours that's in fact led up to all these political reactions that are now pouring in.
Well, yes, so Savi, as soon as the LG VK Saxena has given granted permission to the Enforcement Directorate to, prosecute and giving a note to Aam Aadmi Party Chief Arvind Kejriwal, the politics has erupted over this matter. And, both the parties are blaming each other for, increasing this issue. BJP is, from the very first day, is accusing that Aam Aadmi Party is completely involved in the Delhi liquor scam and Arvind Kejriwal is the kingpin of this issue. But Aam Aadmi Party repeatedly is saying that all these issues are politically motivated and BJP is, targeting Aam Aadmi Party because of their political vendetta. And once again, from the last 24 hours, this war of words, this blame game is being observed between both the parties. But yes, it is very clear. And when also we talk to the people of Delhi, the citizens of Delhi, yes, this issue and this case has, yes, Asavri.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.